Hello, and welcome to this brief video that will explain how to set up shared transactions by Netgain. I'm going to give you a brief demonstration on how the product works and what it takes for the prerequisites and how to set it up. The four things we want to cover today that will each be in a separate video are: one, the prerequisites and the download; two, the intercompany setup; three, how to set up shared transactions and features; and fourth, actually using the shared transaction. So let's go ahead and begin and look at the prerequisites and the requirements to download. It follows a very simple process. This is a SuiteApp that can be purchased on the SuiteApp store. So you'll go to the SuiteApp store, you'll review the documentation, we'll enable all the features required for the install, and then we will go ahead and install the application. So let's take a look at how you do that. I've logged here into my account, and you'll see here that I've got right here the SuiteApps tab here, okay? So what I want to do is actually go there, and if it's not here on top, what we'll do is we will put Netgain, and it comes right here. Here's all of our apps available there. And what I'm looking for is the shared transactions by Netgain. Now on this account, I've already installed it for the sake of time, but this button would be blue and it would say install. Here's where you can see a little bit about the features, some of the key benefits, those requirements, okay? Each of the things that you could do, and it'll talk a little bit about the publishing. Now before we actually hit install, we want to make sure that we have all of the necessary pieces of it ready to go. To do that, we come here to Setup, Company, and then go to Enable Features. With respect to the Enable Features, there's two things to this. Shared Transactions does both intra-company, so one subsidiary splitting it, and it also does inter-company transaction allocations as well. And the features we need to enable will depend upon that. So let me start with what it takes to get the app downloaded, and then we'll talk about the intercompany pieces. The place to start here is over in the Suite Cloud, and what we need to do is have custom records enabled. Most likely that's already there for everybody. We need client suite script and some server suite script, and then we need custom transactions, and if you have custom segments enabled, great, we will map them, but if for some reason you don't, now would be the time to install that and put it in so it'll auto map it. On the other pieces with respect to things that you may want is if you want to do intercompany, you want to have your intercompany set up. So what we'll need there is the automated intercompany management. And then we also will tend to use the intercompany framework, which is the new feature that NetSuite does. So those two are enabled. And along with that, to use the intercompany framework will be this one here, which is the multi-subsidiary customer. All right. Once you have those all enabled, just hit save. And then I can come to my SuiteApps, put in the Netgain, and click install. That will install the bundle. If you have a test drive account, or it is a sandbox, or if you have purchased one of the paid versions, it will install either the full version there. If you're in a production account, but you're testing it out and you haven't purchased a license, you only use a free version, that's what will be installed in the production account. However, the full version can be installed into your sandbox or any demo account. That's all it takes to install the Shared Transactions by Netgain SuiteApp. I'll see you in the next video.